Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I did a very simple orange shadow look, but then I added a pop of glitter for the liner. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Okay, so my brows are on. I'll link my routine in the cards above. But I went ahead and I primed my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape and set that concealer in place with the Coty Airspun powder. Now I'm taking that orange shade from the Wet n Wild Cosmic Collision palette and buffing that in my crease and on my lid. And from my Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette, I am taking Sun Kissed and doing the same thing with that shade. With this orange shade from the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette, I am lightly tapping that in the crease and on the outer corner just to add a little bit more depth. Now with the NYX Epic Ink liner, I am going to line my lash line and give myself just a little wing. Now with the NYX Glitter Primer and the Colourpop Pressed Glitter in Cloudy, I am going to line over that wing, laying down the glue first and then packing the glitter over it. I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna take that cream shade from the Rosé in the Air palette and highlight my brow bone. Priming my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, really focusing on pushing it into my pores. Using a little bit of the First Aid Beauty Triple Protection Skin Tint. And using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer on any other places with discoloration. And I'm being really careful when I'm blending around the glitter so it doesn't knock any of it loose. I'm setting that concealer in place with the Coty Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. Adding some definition into my face with the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette and Dulce de Leche. Warming up the skin with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Popping some of the Tarte Blush and Party on my cheeks. And hitting the high points of my face with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter and Be My Highlight. And I'm highlighting my inner corner with that while I'm at it. I'm using the e.l.f. brow pencil to redefine my big freckle. And then the NYX Micro Brow Pencil to redefine any of the littler ones. First, to finish off the lower lash line, I am using the orange shade from the Cosmic Collision palette. Now going back in with the Colourpop Cloudy Pressed Glitter, I am popping that very lightly on my inner corner. For lips, first I'm lining them with the MAC Cream Stick Pearl Liner in Ginger Root. And topping that with my Bare Minerals Sex Pot lipstick. I am very carefully going to curl my lashes, being mindful of the glitter, and then I'm gonna pop on some L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. I'm gonna go pop on some falsies and I'll be right back. Lashes are on and that's the finished look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Friday.